Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures. I've been working on getting my Dissent off-road rear bumper videos out. It's been an incredibly slow process because I've had a very busy summer. Been taking this thing out camping, doing all kinds of cool stuff this summer, and just haven't been able to get back to crank out those videos. But I just had a question from one of my followers about how the latching mechanism works on this bumper. So I wanted to throw something together really quickly so that you guys could see that, and I thought it would be very valuable. I had the same questions. It was one of the things that concerned me, since the latching system on this bumper is unique and designed by Ben at Dissent Off-Road. The way this works is there is a latch to open up this pin that's back in here that's riding in this stainless bracket that has a little recess for it. It stays latched because the whole swing arm itself is under load. So to actually open it, you have to take the load off by pushing it in and then pulling the lever, and then it'll open up. The load is provided by this rubber pad here. When it's closed, this rubber pad pushes up against here. There's a number of washers provided so that you can make this rubber come out more, to put a little more pressure or put a little less, because you want it to be just right. So the plastic grommet here, the pin, actually rides up in here, and when that load gets pushed on it, it pushes it into this recess. When you push it in, it allows you to pull that lever and pull the pin around this little latch here and come out. This pad, stainless pad right here, is where this piece of plastic sets so that the load isn't on the pin the whole time. It's distributed between this pad and the pin on that end. And here you can see this little rubber grommet that rides over in the stainless bracket. And this whole latching mechanism is just spring-loaded with a simple spring from a bracket here to the latch, and that's what pulls it back in. I gotta take the pressure off, I pull it, it brings that pin out, and then it can open up. And then the spring pulls that back, and when I push it in, it's going to lock in there, and that rubber is pushing it back in there so that the plastic pin here is stuck in this recess so it won't open up. There you go. That is how the latching system works on the Dissent off-road bumper. I hope that's helpful. Thanks very much for watching, and keep an eye out for my upcoming installation videos. They are on the way. I'm working hard on them right now. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let us know if you have any questions or comments about the Dissent off-road rear bumper latching system or anything else we got going on with our 100 Series Land Cruiser. Thanks.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.